As Jamaicans, we all have a responsibility for the garbage we create and where we put it. That's why my spoiled fruits, vegetable peel, and even brown paper bags go in my compost heap. Composting can be as easy as throwing organic waste at the root of a tree. But let me show you how I do it. I start with a bucket, and it's got to have a cover and no bottom. No bucket? No problem. Just dig a hole and put banana leaves in it.
In case you were wondering, it doesn't smell bad once you cover it. It barely takes up any space and rats are nowhere to be found.
Find a shady spot for your compost heap. You don't need a lot of space. The key to composting is striking a balance between your greens and your browns.
Start by adding twigs, branches, dried leaves, patty bag, newspapers, and other brown waste at the bottom. Add the same amount of fruit, vegetable scraps, and other green waste. Then more brown, then more green, then brown. You get the picture. Whenever you add material, cover it up, and every few weeks you can also give it a stir and add some water if it's looking dry. In a few weeks, super soil, dark, fertile earth, perfect for growing.
Learn more about starting a compost heap in your backyard, school, or community by logging on to www.nuttyupjamaica.org.
Brought to you by the Tourism Enhancement Fund and Wisinco.